my name is Grace Lee. I'm a first-year student majoring in Biomedical Engineering at University of Wisconsin-Madison, and I am passionate about renewable energy. Here is a project I've been working on. The mechanism is to generate electricity or energy from the photosynthetic process of algae. So eventually, we can turn the coal power plants into self-sustainable, environmental friendly, and economically feasible algae power plant.
First, let's look at the bigger picture. Global warming is a direct result of greenhouse effect, where radiation from the sun is absorbed by greenhouse gases such as water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. The radiation then turns into heat, thereby raising the average temperature of the Earth. A large amount of these greenhouse gases is actually absorbed by the ocean through the combination reaction of carbon dioxide and water, as shown here in the text box. As you can see, water and carbon dioxide combine to form bicarbonate ions. So this factor combining with the nutrient runoff into the water often promotes harmful algae blooms that are disruptive to the ecosystem as well as the local economy. Here is a mechanism that will potentially solve the problem we've mentioned above, as well as providing an alternative energy source. As you can see, we use algae as our raw materials. The photosynthetic pathway of algae uses sunlight to split water into oxygen, electrons, and H+ ions. We then direct the electrons through the carbon electrode into our circuit, which we can use to power electronic appliances. The electrons eventually end up at the aluminum catalyst, where they can be used to reduce H+ ions that are free in the water back to hydrogen gas, which is a great fuel source. The concept of this design is to generate sustainable energy with zero footprint, as well as facilitating environmental remediation.
A lot of research is still needed to bring this to life, such as how to increase the power output, whether this can operate in natural environment, or how to restore the electricity it generates. These unanswered questions continue to be a source of motivation for me as I pursue a career in science.